The slip-slip knit and knit two together are the two most common ways to decrease stitches in knitting. To do the slip-slip knit, you want to slip the first stitch knitwise onto your right hand needle, which means you just insert your needle into the stitch as if you were to knit it, but instead of knitting, you just slip it onto the needle. And you do the same thing for the second stitch, and then you knit them together by inserting the left hand needle into those stitches and knitting it. And it'll look like this. For the knit two together, all you need to do is knit these two stitches together as if they were one stitch. So just insert your needle through both of them and knit them together. And you can continue knitting